In this video, I am going to explain about how to become zero level student to hero level in Python programming. So any kind of student who doesn't have any programming knowledge from any one of the discipline to become a professional or it's nothing but a hero in Python programming, the student must learn the following concepts to become an extraordinary programming professional in the industry. So number one, Python programming fundamentals, which includes data types, which contains 14 data types which are classified into 6 categories. Fundamental category data types, sequence category data types, list category data types, tuple category data types, set category data types, dict category and non-type category they need to learn. Along with that, they need to learn fundamentals of programming elements, includes variables, rules for variables, and the next one they need to learn it to become an expert in the coding, they need to learn operators, which includes many operators and the most important operators which they become perfect, bitwise operators and membership operators, identity operators. And the next topic they need to learn flow control statements in Python. That includes interns, conditional statements, looping statements, transfer flow statements. This concept helps them to solve multiple problem solving approaches. From the most competitive programming elements like HackerRank, LeetCode kind of platforms, they can solve it. And this is only the section which makes them to be expert in writing the coding. And in any of the further topics in Python to become an expert, they must be good at this area. And the next topic, they need to learn functions. In this topic, they will understand why to use functions and what is the significance of it. They will be learning in terms arguments, types of arguments, and local variables, global keyword, global function. And next, they will learn modules, how to make the functions to reuse as a part of our project. And next, they will learn about packages and how to develop the APIs and applying the product development lifecycle. And next topic they will learn is exception handling and how to make their project to be robust. And the next topic they will learn is files concept, how to achieve the data persistency. As a part of this section, they will learn about pickling, unpickling, how to develop CSV files, how to read the data from CSV file, how to write the data from CSV file, dynamic CSV file, which in turns related to Excel documents. And next they will learn about how to deal with the JSON file, how JSON files are useful in data science and AI, and how it is useful in pandas and NumPy. And the next topic they will learn is how a Python programmer can communicate with multiple databases, like Python with Oracle communication, Python with MySQL communication, Python with MongoDB. This kind of database communications will use for high-end data persistency purpose. And they will learn next about advanced functions concept, decorators, iterators, generators, closures. These are the advanced functions topics. And next they will learn about object-oriented programming principles, which we call it as the OOPS principles. There they will understand how to develop classes and objects with real-world problems, abstraction and encapsulation, inheritance, and different polymorphism applications. And one banking project and employee information system, CLI projects they can develop as a part of OOPS. And the next, the most important thing is multi-threading applications. What is the use of multi-threading in real time? How deadlock occurs? How to eliminate the deadlocks? Synchronization concept we are going to discuss as a part of that. And finally, they will learn about regular expressions, which is a very important in real-world projects. So by learning all these kind of concepts, a student who is a zero in their academic level, they can become a hero in the Python programming. Thank you.